song is for all of you. Can we start it again? It started too early. Ulit, please. Everybody enjoying your Christmas shopping? You know, the thing I hated about Christmas as a kid was having to perform for the whole family. I hated that. Because it was embarrassing. And they would try to bribe us with money too. Oh look, Tita Ching, she has money. Go, sing, go. So, I'm going to perform for you. And if you have money, feel free to give. Joe.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you, maraming salamat.
Mikey Bustos. Hi, Mikey. Huwag mo na aalis.
Interview pala.
Oo, happy anniversary pala.
Anniversary?
Oo, kasi di ba 1 year na since dumating ka dito.
Yes, it has been isang taon na that since I arrived dito sa Pilipinas.
Correct.
And I'm having so much fun kasi it's more fun dito sa Pilipinas, di
Siyempre
ba?
naman. At lalo na dahil kasama ka sa Saucy Problems, what's your role dito sa movie?
Well, in this movie, I play the videographer, Tim Yap.
Ah!
Yeah. So my name is Denmark, and I'm always holding camera like that.
Oh!
And I'm following Tim Yap around.
Okay.
Parang I'm the mini-me of Tim Yap.
Para kang alalay sidekick.
Yes, parang gano'n.
Parang gano'n, oh. Invite them to watch your movie.
Okay, you guys, please come watch Saucy Problems. Sobrang funny yung movie na to. Very fun. December 25, it releases nationwide, all over Philippines, and I promise you will have lots of laughs.
Siyempre, ano?
Pumalahak ng todo.
Pumalakhak na todo. Pumalakak. Lakhak.
Lakhak.
Ang hirap. Ang hirap na makausap nito. Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody.
Palakpakan muna natin, Mighty Bustos. Seryoso ng song, ha? Hindi ko kinaya yun. From Mighty Bustos na patawa, biglang drama, love song. Eto naman ngayon,